to a healthy life is having a healthy mind, said by Richard Davidson. Very good morning, respected brother, teachers, and my dear friends. I welcome you all for this morning assembly.
The theme of today's assembly is Health is Wealth. Prayer gives us hope and strength. Let us invite our friends to sing a prayer song.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. I worship your holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I worship your holy name. The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing till the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. I worship your holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I worship your holy name.
O Lord God, we praise and thank you for this new day, for the sunshine, and for your beautiful creations. Let our love and praise give glory to you. May our minds and hearts be filled with your knowledge. Inspire and enlighten us throughout this day. Grant that we may always remain faithful to you in all our dreams. We praise you, Lord. A pledge is a way to show our love and respect to our nation. So I request Abdul Rahman to come forward and lead us with the pledge. Pledge. Please repeat after me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to human parents, teachers, and all elders, respect and treat everyone with courtesy. I shall be thankful all plants and animals to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Along lies my happiness.
Good and inspiring quotes can spice up our day. It may boost our confidence and courage.
So now I invite Sri Harshita to perform a classical dance. Thank you, Siyashita, for your beautiful performance.
Good and inspiring quotes can spice up our day. It may boost our confidence and courage. So, to inspire us with thought for the day, I would like to invite Kritika to say thought for the day. Today thought for the day it is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. Now I request our friends to say some quotes on the theme health is wealth. Eating healthy can cost you money. Eating healthy can cost you money, but eating unhealthy can cost you your life. Happiness is the highest form of health. Happiness is the highest form of health. You cannot enjoy your wealth if you are not in good health. You cannot enjoy your wealth if you are not in good health. Those who do not find time for exercise will have to find time for illness. Those who do not find time for exercise will have to find time for illness. Health is a priceless whether invest while you can. Health is a priceless whether while you can. Health is not valued until sickness comes. I repeat, health is not valued request our friend Varsha to speak a few words on today's theme, health is wealth. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I would like to speak a few words on health is wealth. We all have heard the proverb, health is wealth. Yes, good health is like a treasure in human life. We all must follow healthy lifestyle to achieve good health. A person can survive without money access, but cannot survive without good health. We see many people around us who are happy even if they don't have lot of money. Likewise, we see many people around us who are sad even if they are rich. We all must follow healthy lifestyle to achieve good health. Eating fresh fruits, vegetables, exercising regularly, avoiding junk food, etc. are some of the steps which we can achieve good health. Thank you. Thank you, Varsha, for your speech. Now I request our principal Narendra Ina to give his valuable and encouraging words.
Good morning. I didn't hear. How are you all? So what is the today's theme for the assembly? Health is wealth. So my other question to you, how many of you enjoy good health? So far you did not get fever, headache, stomach ache. So far. Really good. I appreciate you all for not getting illness and headache, fever. Why? For the good health. Okay, now I'll tell you. If you want to enjoy good health, what you have to do is we should have proper balanced diet. What do you mean by balanced diet? We should have vegetables, we should have proteins, we should have carbohydrates. So all that we need to enjoy to have a good health. Not only eating, and also we need to play in the ground. How many of you play in the ground? Raise your hand. All of you, put down the hands. Very good. I appreciate you all. But I still see in the present generation like you are very busy playing video games in the mobile. Again, I'm asking how many of you play video games in the mobile? Be honest. Be honest. Only few hands, sir. No? Please, some more. Very good. I accept your being honest. Let's clap for them. But I want to remind you, it's a very dangerous trend. You should not spend your time entirely playing video games in mobile. As a result, you will develop irritation, you will have lack of concentration, you will have all health issues. So, my dear friends, instead of playing video games, play in the ground and have a proper diet. And also have a very good sleep or provide outside. So, my dear friends, once again, I congratulate 58 class students and the class teacher for their wonderful performance on the stage. Have a great day.
Thank you, brother, for the inspiring and encouraging words. Now I call upon Worship to propose vote of thanks.
A warm and graceful morning to our principal, teachers, and my dear friends. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of our classmates. Our first foremost thanks goes to the Almighty God for this wonderful day. I thank our principal for organizing this assembly. I thank our class teacher who trained us for this assembly. I thank all the teachers for making this event success. I thank all my friends for their wonderful performance. I thank the technical and fine art team. And last but not the least, I thank all the students for sitting silently